Okay, this I believe will be one of the final pieces, I hope, of what I've been going through. I still have every plan on leaving the country. All of this technology implanted in my brain and body, and as of this very moment, the people who developed it, designed it, etc., are still psychologically warfaring on me. Been left in perpetual poverty most of my life, experimented on, etc., etc. I couldn't get UN or Amnesty International to contact me in my seeking help suing the corporations that put this stuff on the street corners. That's pretty high level to keep the UN and Amnesty International at bay. Mary Elizabeth Henson, my ex-girlfriend. I won't get into the details, but she told me that she had personal contact with computer people at Boeing. Yes, the airplane company. They have all kinds of contracts with various authorities from the military to the airlines, and would be more than capable of doing something like developing optic tamper rings by themselves or with African corporations. But in any case, Mary Elizabeth Henson told me in 2011 that she was going to be contacting computer people of that caliber. Fast forward to 2016, I've had money laundered to a Navy Federal credit union account. I didn't do it. Somebody laundered money through my account. No less than 2 Facebook pages stolen. My current Facebook page currently hacked, constantly being hacked, and so on and so forth. What it comes down to is, in my own country, between Nazis in such positions, I will differentiate between white pride and white power. I have no problem with pride, but apparently it's superiority in individuals who at one point Beth's mom had told me, because Beth and I had gotten into an argument, and her mom told me, nobody expects any better of Beth. It's just who she is. But they expect better of me. People with such credentials, such authority, such clearances, joined with Beth and Cece and the rest of the root Satan worshiping Coven usurpers, to constantly come at me and experiment on me. It could make sense on where the weapons grade biological agents they experimented on me with came from. Basically, make a long story short, I do believe that Boeing employees are involved with high-level clearances. I don't know if it's David Robinson himself or other people, but apparently people of the likes of Trent Dilfer ended up with machines and torturing people. I'm currently making this video and saying these things because I am one of the more fortunate ones in the mistreatment of people. I'm not egotistical or anything like that, and definitely not stupid or foolish enough to believe that I am wrong in how they're treating people. They experimented on everybody in my building in Section 8 housing. This is the direction apparently the country is headed, because this has been happening to me with impunity for over half a decade. I'm leaving the country. I plan on eventually settling in Israel. I've plan on getting this crap out of my brain and body and starting my own corporation. But if the people that have arrayed themselves against me to, among other things, try and wrest my intellectual property rights from me include high-level Boeing employees, the country's definitely in greater trouble than anyone would have thought. Gone on for over 5 minutes. I'm going to bed. May the blessings of the Lord be upon you in Jesus' name. Love you.